Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the appearance of the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that, tap on the settings option down below, which is the last option, and now click on appearance, which is the fourth one. Tap on colors in order to select the color of the application, and now tap on appearance to go back to the previous page. Now as you can see, the color has been updated. Tap on the app icon, and here you have a bunch of options that you can select from. These are organized into three categories, such as the basic ones, custom ones, and vintage ones. So tap on the relevant one that you want to change the icon for. Tap on OK, and if you go to your home page of the phone, you are going to see that the icon has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.